Hi everybody. Today I have the Trendmood Volume 11. This box is much bigger than I expected because I've never gotten a Trendmood box before. So this is exciting. And I do know what's in here because this was not one of their mystery boxes. So I got it because it has an item in the box that sells for the price of this entire box, just that one item. So I figured it was like, buy that one item and get everything else free, right? Everything came wrapped so nicely. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. So first we have this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. I can't wait to see what this smells like. There's watermelon pictures inside. The entire box. It's like a sliced open watermelon. This is 11 ounces. Let's see what it smells like. Okay, any day now. Okay, I'll just open it like this so I can smell it. The watermelon scent is really delicate. It's not strong at all. It's just very nice and light. Yes. I'll enjoy using this once I get the pump to work. Okay. And then from Biossance, we have the Squalene plus BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. I really like Biossance products. I've had some things from them before, and they're very nice. This is made with plant-derived squalene. It says facial toner visibly tightens large pores. Clarify and refine pores without stripping essential moisture. This lightly hydrating solution of exfoliating beta-hydroxy acids from white willow bark manages oil and leaves skin clean and fresh. Let's see. Here it says clean, conscious, high performance. That's nice to know. And there's the toner. This is a glass bottle. I noticed when I took it out of the box that it felt heavy. That's because of the glass bottle. This is 4 ounces. It's sealed, so I won't open it right now because I have another toner, a couple of other toners that I'm using right now. So it has a little booklet in here. And then the one product that retails for the entire price of this box is this Tatcha powder. It says a talc-free translucent setting powder with a radiant finish that blurs while cocooning skin from pollutants and blue light. This powder is new at Sephora. And I did want to try it, but I didn't want to pay the full price for it. So when I saw it in this box, I thought, you know, it's like buying the powder and getting everything else for free. Let's see. It also has a little seal on it, but I'll go ahead and open it, even though I have so many powders. It's like that. And there's 20 grams of powder in here, which is 0.7 ounces. It has this little rubbery tab right here. Take it off. Oh, and then I guess the powder shakes out. Let's see. Yeah, you tip it like this and shake the powder out. Then you can swirl your brush in there and put it on. Okay, that's nice. See what it feels like. That's more than I actually need, but it does feel soft. It just kind of disappears. And I can see the blurring effect, so yeah, I think I'll like this. Okay. This also comes with a little information booklet. It says you can use it with or without foundation. So that's good. And then the final item is a cute little palette from Dominique Cosmetics. There's the palette. And it has a lot of really nice sayings on it. It says, never apologize for being a powerful woman. Be afraid and do it anyway. Right here says, get it, girl. It says, now or never. It says, born to make history. It says, don't be a lady, be a legend. Well, I think you can be a lady and a legend. But anyway, I think this would make a great gift. So I won't open it. I'll just leave it sealed like that and sort of make a nice gift. So the Trendmood Volume 11 has Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. It has the Biossance Squalene and BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. It has the Silk Powder from Tatcha. And a 6-pan eyeshadow palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I was really happy to be able to get this because they had another box that I wanted, but it sold out before I could even purchase it. I think it sold out in like less than a minute previously. But I was able to get this one. As soon as it was available, I put it in the cart and had to refresh it a couple of times, but I was able to get it within about a minute. So I'm really excited to be able to get this one. So that's everything that I got in the Trendmood Volume 11 box. Thank you for watching. Bye.